Creating viral content may sound like a mystery, but with the right system and tools, it becomes a repeatable process. Viral shorts are one of the fastest ways to grow on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. The secret is not luck. It is about strategy, consistency, and using artificial intelligence to save time and maximize creativity. In this script, I will explain step by step how I actually make viral shorts with AI, from idea generation to publishing, so you can do the same. Why shorts are so powerful. Before diving into the process, you need to understand why shorts are the best place to start today. Short-form videos dominate attention. People scroll endlessly, looking for quick entertainment or bite-sized knowledge. Platforms like YouTube push shorts aggressively because they compete with TikTok. That means your content has a higher chance of being promoted even if your channel is small. For beginners, shorts are perfect because you do not need long filming sessions, expensive gear, or months of editing. A single short can get thousands or even millions of views in a matter of days. When you add artificial intelligence to the mix, you can produce these shorts faster, more creatively, and more consistently than most creators. Step 1. Finding the right ideas. The foundation of a viral short is the idea. If the idea is weak, no amount of editing will save it. AI becomes your brainstorming partner here. I start by giving GPT-style prompts like, give me 20 viral YouTube short ideas in the motivation niche, or list shocking facts about space in short video style. AI responds with a flood of angles, hooks, and trends. I then cross-check these against what is trending on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. If I see overlap between AI suggestions and real audience interest, I know I have a strong idea. This process alone saves hours compared to thinking alone. Step 2. Writing the script. A viral short audio or dies in the first 3 seconds. You need a hook that grabs attention instantly. With AI, I generate several variations of hooks for the same idea. For example, if I am making a short about success habits, I ask, write 10 shocking one-sentence hooks about habits that successful people follow. AI gives me options like, the most successful people wake up before the rest of the world even starts dreaming. From there, I expand into a 30 to 45-second script. AI drafts it quickly, and then I polish the flow. The goal is short sentences, high energy, and curiosity that keeps viewers until the end. This method allows me to create multiple scripts in a single sitting, ready to turn into videos. Step 3. Generating the voiceover. I rarely record my own voice for shorts. Instead, I use AI voice generators that sound natural. Many free or freemium platforms let you create lifelike voices in different tones and accents. I paste my script into the tool, adjust pacing, and export the audio. Using AI voices has 2 benefits. First, it saves time. Second, it allows me to test different styles, motivational, dramatic, or casual, depending on the niche. If a video needs an urgent and energetic voice, I choose that option. If it needs calm storytelling, I pick another. This flexibility is what helps me tailor content for virality. Step 4. Gathering visuals and clips. Viral shorts need engaging visuals that match the voiceover. AI helps again by generating or sourcing visuals. For example, I can create AI-generated images for abstract concepts like future city or dreamlike success path. I also pull free stock footage from platforms that offer clips for commercial use. The trick is to match fast-paced visuals with the pacing of the script. I cut every 2 to 3 seconds to keep attention locked. AI can even suggest which type of visuals fit each sentence of the script. This saves me from guessing and gives me a storyboard in minutes. Step 5. Editing the short. Editing is where everything comes together. I use free editing tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. AI now assists in editing too. Some platforms automatically sync captions, highlight keywords, and even generate background music that fits the mood of your video. For viral shorts, subtitles are non-negotiable. Most viewers watch without sound. AI caption tools generate accurate subtitles instantly. I then style them with bold fonts, bright colors, and movement that keeps the eye engaged. Finally, I add background music. AI music tools suggest royalty-free tracks that match my video's energy. Music plus captions plus quick visuals equals high retention, the formula for virality. Step 6. Thumbnails and titles. Even shorts benefit from good titles and thumbnails. AI tools help me generate a list of click-worthy titles. I ask, write 15 viral titles for a 30-second short about morning routines. I then pick the best and modify it. For thumbnails, I use free design tools with AI features. Simple but bold designs work best. I focus on one keyword, one face, or object, and high contrast. AI background removers and enhancers make the process smooth, even for beginners. Step 7. Uploading and optimizing. When uploading, I make sure my description and tags are keyword optimized. AI helps generate description templates that I can tweak quickly. I also include hashtags suggested by AI to maximize reach. Consistency is key here. Viral growth rarely happens from one video. I upload several shorts each week, building a library of opportunities. Because AI reduces workload, producing volume is realistic. Why AI shorts go viral? You may wonder why this process works so well. It comes down to 3 reasons: speed, creativity, and adaptability. AI lets me create more content faster, which means more chances to hit a trend. It also gives me ideas I may never think of on my own, expanding creativity. Finally, it adapts to changes. When a new trend appears, AI can instantly generate scripts and visuals around it, letting me move faster than most creators. Scaling to consistent virality. Once you master the basics, scaling becomes simple. I create a content calendar filled with AI-generated ideas. I then batch the process. One day for scripts, one day for voiceovers, one day for visuals and editing. In a week, I can produce 10 to 15 shorts without stress. When one short goes viral, it brings subscribers, who then see my other content. The compound effect kicks in. Even if only 1 out of 10 shorts goes viral, the growth is massive. AI increases the odds because it allows me to create more attempts. Monetization from viral shorts. The obvious question is, how does this turn into money? There are several ways. First, YouTube pays through the Shorts Fund and ad revenue once you meet requirements. Second, viral shorts attract sponsorships. Brands want their message in front of millions of eyeballs, and a viral creator provides that. Third, you can drive traffic from shorts to long-form content, affiliate links, or digital products. With AI, I can create not just shorts for entertainment, but also shorts that lead viewers to something valuable, like an ebook or course. This combination is where real income starts flowing. Beginner mistakes to avoid. Let me also warn you about mistakes. Many beginners simply copy AI output and upload without editing. This leads to bland videos that do not stand out. Always add your touch. Adjust tone, refine visuals, and give personality. Another mistake is inconsistency. Virality is a numbers game. Do not stop after 5 uploads. Commit to months of output. AI makes this possible, but you must bring discipline. Finally, avoid chasing every trend blindly. Use AI to analyze, but always ask, does this fit my niche and audience? Relevance matters as much as timing. The mindset that creates virality. Here is the truth. Going viral is less about magic and more about mindset. If you approach shorts as experiments, each upload teaches you something. One may flop, another may perform average, and suddenly one explodes. The lesson is to keep producing. AI reduces the pain of failure because it lowers the effort required. You are no longer spending 10 hours per video. Instead, you can create in 2 hours. That means losses are small, but wins are huge. This mindset is what keeps me motivated, and it will keep you consistent. Picture this. Imagine sitting at your desk, sipping coffee while AI tools write your script, generate your voiceover, and even suggest visuals. In a few hours, your short is ready. You upload it, go to bed, and the next morning, it has 50,000 views. That is the power of combining AI with the short-form algorithm. This is not fantasy. It is a repeatable process available to anyone who is willing to start. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need to be famous. You need consistency, creativity, and the willingness to let AI be your partner. This is how I actually make viral shorts with AI. It is not complicated, but it is structured. From idea generation to uploading, AI saves time, sparks creativity, and multiplies output. The more you use it, the better you get at spotting what works. Do not overthink. Do not wait until you feel ready. Start with one short, then another, and another. Viral growth is waiting for those who take action. AI gives you the tools, but only you can press upload. If you stay consistent, 1 year from now, you will not only have viral shorts, but also a loyal audience and multiple income streams. Start today and let AI help you create content that reaches millions.